Hello, my dear friends. Thank you for visiting my channel. I am passionate about creating stunning seasonal decor, sharing affordable dupes, and collaborating with others to bring you budget-friendly yet glamorous farmhouse aesthetic. If this sounds like your cup of tea, I'm inviting you to stay tuned for more inspiring content. Let's jump into our first project. I have these shelves along with these 3 trays. I purchased some beauty products and I have no idea where I was gonna put them at. So I saw this and I'm like, I think I'm gonna create 3-tier shelf for my beauty products. So I'm measuring it. The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to be using some hot glue along with some emerald gorilla glue. And I'm gonna go ahead and place some right here where you see them at. I'm going to be doing the same thing here. I'm going to put more glue, emerald glue, and some hot glue, and then I'll just go ahead and put the other shelf on top of these 3 trays. And now that is all completely glued in, now I'm going to come in with some antique wax. I'm going to water it down and then I'm going to give it 1 coat, and then with a baby wipe, I'll be wiping it down as I go. This project was nice and easy to do and I am loving it. I hope you love it too, and this is going to go in my bathroom for my beauty products. I hope you enjoy it. Today is a Craft Your Stash collab, and these are all the talented creators that are participating. I'm gonna make sure to leave every single one of their links down in my description box along with the playlist, so you can go ahead and visit these talented creators. Don't forget, when you visit them, make sure to give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking it. Don't forget to see their videos all the way until the end so you won't miss any of their inspiration. And now let's continue with our second project. I have this picture frame that I purchased, I don't know, a couple of months ago maybe, and I'm gonna go ahead and start making a box with these jingle blocks right in front of this picture frame. This is gonna turn out really pretty. I'm using some wood glue, and all I'm doing is just putting 2 jingle blocks in the bottom, horizontal, and 2 on the sides, vertical. As you can see, I'm creating a second layer. I'm going to be arranging these jingle blocks into 3 sets of 2. Then I'll set them to the side and wait until they glue together. I'm going to be taking these jingle blocks and gluing them right in front of these other blocks, creating a box. So guys, if you have not met my little girl, this is Diva. I'm gonna go ahead, when I put these blocks together and I chose these colors, I thought it would look good, but I was looking at it, I didn't like the way it looked, so I went with my linen white chalk paint and I'm giving it 2 coats to the entire box. I'm gonna be distressing this box only because I thought that it needed character. And on this video, we have to use materials from our own stash. So naturally, I raided my stash and got creative. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating this beauty by adding moss and succulents. Look at how beautiful and classy this looks, but I thought it looked a little plain, so I took this transfer also from my stash and I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it right here. This is turning out absolutely gorgeous. So I chose the welcome, but I was hesitant whether I should put the one that says farmhouse. What are your thoughts? Isn't this beautiful? I'm gonna also take those leaves and I'm gonna put them right on top of the box. I also want to remind you to go ahead and visit that playlist. Make sure that you visit every single one of these talented creators. And this is it for this beautiful DIY. I hope you have enjoyed it. Wanted to pop in really quick and remind you to please make sure to go down in my description box as soon as you watch this video and look for that playlist. Make sure to visit all of these talented creators. They have a lot more inspiration for you. Make sure to share, like, and subscribe to their channel as well. And don't forget that when you subscribe to our channel, we grow together. And now let's go ahead and continue with our next DIY. And now going back to my stash, I'm taking out these wooden dowels, and as you see, I cut them to size, and there is no size in particular. Also, I'm going to do the same thing with these skewer sticks. And these candle holders, I bought them when Dollar Tree first came out with them, and I had them laying around. I did not know what to do, but here it is. I'm going to go ahead and take these skewer sticks and cut them to whatever size you prefer. And now let's go ahead and start gluing both of these bamboo and skewer stick. We're just gonna go ahead and glue them on the glass. Just continue to watch so this can all make sense. This is gonna turn out beautiful. Now all these bamboo sticks are in place, and this is the way it looks. But I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this, I don't know what this is, I think this is ribbon. I bought this at the thrift store, I don't know, about maybe 2 years ago. I still got a big roll So I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it around the candle holder. I'm just gonna start gluing them to the skewer stick, and I'm gonna wrap it around. I think I wrap it around like 4 times. And here they are. I also have these metal flowers that I bought at Dollar Tree. I think when they first came out as well, maybe, I don't know, a month ago or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this khaki color along with antique wax. I'm gonna mix them together only to, give it that in between color. And I'm just gonna go ahead, as you can tell, the flower has like silver on the edge. So I just wanted to make sure that it, just to tone it down a little. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint these edges right here. This is gonna turn out absolutely divine. I am really, really happy with the results of these candle holders. And of course that I'm going to be doing the same thing to this flower. I'm going to do the same process with the same acrylic paint. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for stopping by and taking time to visit my channel and support it. If you are coming over from one of the other platforms, I want to thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Let me know which of these projects was your favorite. I'm also going to be showing the final review in a second, but don't go away. Stay tuned for the bloopers. And with the same mixture of paint, I'm gonna go ahead and give it one coat to both of these candles, only in the part where the twine is at. And we are almost done with this video. I hope you have enjoyed every single one of these projects, and if you did, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to stay tuned for the bloopers. Just a reminder, this is part of an open say hi, share, like, and subscribe to their channel. So I am up. Just wanted to pop in. Hi, I just wanted to pop in really quick. I just wanted to let you know and now let's go ahead and get started with and now let's go ahead and continue with our video.